Hi, my name is Jana Stewart and I am the art teacher and calligraphy teacher at NES. And today I'm going to show you one of our projects, and that is this autumn sign, and we're going to show you how to make the perfect pumpkin every time. Well, it's not perfect, but it's easy and you'll never forget how to do it, and an easy, quick way to make a banner. This one was done with just markers, so you don't have to use paint all the time too. Do an oval, then you come up to the top of it and come down to the side, almost like you're making an ear for a dog. And then, surprisingly, you're gonna go up even more and not come down to the bottom. And do the same on the other side. You now have this opening for stem, and it works out even every time. If I wanted, I could now put leaves like I did on that one. You can see how I did it. Maybe you'll do it a little bit more even. And you could give it some curly things. So that is how to make a pumpkin. A simple way to make a banner. This one has two, you can see it has 3 levels on the banner. I'm going to show you a simple one how to make with just 2, and then how to make it with 3. So it's the same concept. You do 2 parallel lines, come down, and as I tell my students, you got to give it arms and you got to give it legs, and then they meet together. And then this gives it dimension. So let me show you again. Parallel, give it arms, give it legs, come down like its hand on its hips, give it a foot, and then match up there. And then from this corner to this corner, and this corner to this corner is your shading. So that is how to do 2. So if you see in the autumn one, I did 3 levels. It's not harder, you just have to plan your room better. 2 parallel lines, come down, arms, arms, feet, match up. This time I'm making squares. And then my same thing, then arms, feet, come down, match the corners up so you get that dimensional shading. Look way more professional. And that's how you do it. The way I did on this one was I kind of did it like this, and that's because I'm not always perfect even, but this kind of gives it the illusion that my lines are straight. Making boxes. Oh, okay. Well, that one's really wonky. Yep, you would definitely plan better than I did. Match up the corners. So that's how you make a banner and you make a pumpkin. So have fun with it, and then maybe another time we can teach you how to shade and highlight. So thank you.